Welcome back to another video in Scratch. We're making another episode of story, so we're gonna first save as a copy, and then we're gonna name this story episode 2. Then let's go to the forest. Here we first add wait 2 seconds, and then go to cat, and then say okay for 2 seconds. Then Max will say let's go. Okay, then we're gonna broadcast another message called force. Then when I receive force, you have to switch the scenes to force. So we have to go to looks and switch backdrop to force. Let's see. So, hmm, he will choose cat. So they'll say hello, and then he said we'll go to the forest, and then yes, and then we'll he they will go to the forest. Okay, then Max say there will be a dragon. There will be a dragon in a big cave. This time for 3 seconds. And then go to cat. When I receive forest, wait 3 seconds. And then go to looks, say that that seems fun. Well, of course, they think that's fun. Then we have to wait 2 seconds in max after say there will be a dragon in a big cave for 3 seconds. So wait 2 seconds because cats say that seems fun for 2 seconds. Then we have to broadcast, well, dragon, I mean 10 seconds later. So if you make it paint a new sprite, we have to make the whole thing black, and then we have to make it, and we have to turn the color to white, and then type this T thing, type 10 seconds later. And then maybe we're gonna draw a face like this. Then we go to sprite 1 and change the name to 10 seconds later. And then when I receive 10 seconds later, we have to show, and when green flag click, we have to hide, and we have to put it at 0, 0. Then we have to show, wait, maybe 3 seconds, and then hide. And then we have to broadcast uh, dragon fight, because this is not only a story, it's plus a game. So dragon fight. So we have to choose a new sprite, search dragon, maybe not that one. Dragon, okay. Maybe I have to paint a sprite and then go to choose a custom. Animals. So uh I'll choose, we just search dragon. I'll choose dragon A, and then we're gonna turn the direction here, flip horizontal, press it, and it will point that way. And when green flag click, we have to hide. And I'm gonna put it here. Name this dragon, and then we're gonna go back to broadcast dragon fight. So we have to go to cat. When I receive dragon fight, we have to say uh I woke, or maybe woke up the dragon. And then go back to max. When I receive dragon fight, we have to wait 2 seconds and then say uh oh. Okay, let's see. So la 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 la. And then he's gonna choose a pet, choose cat, and then he's gonna say hello, and then they'll go to the forest. And then he will say there's a dragon in the big cave. And then it seems fun, and 10 seconds later, happy face, I woke up the dragon, uh-oh. And then he has to say, um, that is bad. And then you have to broadcast, go back to max and broadcast fight. Fight is 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 almost on. Okay. Then we have to go to dragon, and then we're gonna, when I receive fight is almost on, he's gonna show and then say yes. So now I will um you can say destroy or kill. Well, I'll choose kill. Well, that doesn't seem normal. Yeah, okay, fine. Or maybe destroy you. Well, then we have to broadcast fight is on. And this is the end of story episode 2. And you will see he will go to the animal store and they're gonna choose cat and they'll say hello and then they'll go to the forest and then there will be a dragon in big cave and it seems fun, it's sad. And 10 seconds later, a happy face and he woke up the dragon and Max said, "It's all oh yes, so now I'll destroy you." Well, why is it behind the cat? Before I end this video, I'm gonna put the cat back here and maybe we're gonna put it here. Well, here. No, actually, before. And then when the fight is on, well, when I receive fight is on, where the cat gonna say, or yes, go to costume and then duplicate that, and then we're gonna select that and then flip horizontal. So when I receive the fight is on, switch costume to costume 2. So wait, first switch costume to costume 1. Okay, so he's gonna choose a pet and then choose cat and then they're gonna say hello and then they're gonna go to the forest and then 10 seconds and then the cat gonna wake up the dragon and then 10 seconds later uh well it doesn't really seem fun. So 10 seconds later, okay, we're gonna fix that later or maybe now. So now we'll destroy you and then we're gonna point it that way. So 10 seconds later, I first have 2 points. I mean, go to friends layer. One green flag click. Okay, so this is the end of this story, episode 2. Hope you have fun and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.